NADCAP compliance and aerospace accreditation. Section 1. What is NADCAP? NADCAP stands for the National Aerospace and Defense Contractors Accreditation Program. I repeat it one more time. NADCAP full form is National Aerospace and Defense Contractors Accreditation Program. Today, NADCAP has become a widely recognized accreditation framework across the international aerospace supply chain. It focuses primarily on critical manufacturing processes and services where process consistency and technical control are essential to aerospace safety and product reliability. Unlike a general management system certification, NADCAP assessments are highly process specific. These assessments examine whether an organization has the required technical controls and whether those controls are actually implemented. Depending on the organization's activities, NADCAP accreditation may cover areas such as heat treatment, chemical processing, non-destructive testing, welding, composites, materials testing, non-metallic materials manufacturing, aerospace quality testing laboratories, measurement and inspection, coatings, machining related special processes, and other critical aerospace manufacturing and testing activities. The exact accreditation scope depends on the organization's processes and applicable NADCAP requirements. The fundamental objective is simple. Can the organization consistently perform the aerospace special process according to the required technical standards and customer requirements? That is the question an organization must be prepared to answer through documented evidence. Now, why is NADCAP important? Section 2. Why is NADCAP so important for aerospace suppliers? The aerospace industry operates in an environment where process failures can have serious consequences. An aircraft component may be exposed to extreme temperatures, vibration, pressure, fatigue, corrosion, and demanding operational conditions. Therefore, aerospace manufacturers and major contractors need confidence that critical processes are performed consistently. NADCAP provides a recognized framework for evaluating these processes. For suppliers, NADCAP accreditation can provide several important business advantages. First, it can strengthen credibility within the aerospace supply chain. Second, it can help demonstrate technical process capability to aerospace customers. Third, it can support supplier approval requirements imposed by aerospace manufacturers and prime contractors. Fourth, it can reduce duplication of customer specific audits in certain circumstances. And fifth, it can create a structured approach to process control and control improvement. For many aerospace suppliers, NADCAP is not simply a compliance exercise. It can become a strategic requirement for assessing or expanding opportunities within the global aerospace supply chain. Now, Section 3. NADCAP is different from ISO 9001. As we know, ISO 9001 is the standard for quality management system, generic standard for all, applicable to all organizations. So one common misunderstanding is to consider NADCAP equivalent to ISO 9001. It is not. ISO 9001 focuses on the organization's quality management system. NADCAP focuses much more deeply on specific aerospace processes. An organization may have an excellent ISO 9001 quality management system and still not be ready for a NADCAP assessment. Why? Because NADCAP assessors examine technical and process specific requirements in considerable detail. For example, consider heat treatment. A general quality system may require documented procedures, trained personnel, calibrated equipment, inspection records, and corrective action. But aerospace heat treatment requirements may demand much more detailed control over furnace qualification, temperature uniformity, system accuracy, process parameters, pyrometry, work instructions, load configuration, records, and applicable aerospace specifications. Similarly, in NDT, the organization must demonstrate control over personnel qualification, procedures, equipment, consumables, technique parameters, reference standards, inspection records, and applicable customer and aerospace requirements. Therefore, the message is important. ISO certification can provide a strong management system foundation, but NADCAP requires process-specific technical readiness. Now section 4. Major NADCAP process areas. Let us now look at some of the major areas where NADCAP accreditation may apply. First, non-destructive testing, NDT. NDT is a critical aerospace inspection activity. Methods can include ultrasonic testing, radiographic testing, magnetic particle testing, liquid penetrant testing, eddy current testing, visual testing, and other applicable techniques. NADCAP readiness may involve personnel qualification, written procedures, equipment control, calibration, reference standards, technique sheets, inspection records, acceptance criteria, and technical competency. URGS can support organizations in reviewing their NDT systems and preparing personnel procedures, documentation, and implementation controls. Now, second, heat treatment. Heat treatment is another critical aerospace special process. Organizations must demonstrate effective control of furnaces, temperature measurement systems, process parameters, recipes, work instructions, load configurations, calibration, pyrometry, records, and process monitoring. URGS can support heat treatment organizations through gap assessment, documentation review, internal audits, training, process control evaluation, and corrective action support. Now, third, chemical processing. Chemical processing can include processes such as cleaning, etching, anodizing, plating, conversion coating, and other aerospace related chemical treatments. These processes require careful control of chemical concentrations, bath temperatures, process times, equipment, testing, records, and operator competency. A systematic compliance approach is essential. The next is fourth, materials testing laboratories. Aerospace laboratories must demonstrate reliable testing capability. This can include mechanical testing, metallography, chemical analysis, hardness testing, microstructural evaluation, and other applicable testing. Laboratory equipment, calibration, test methods, personal competency, sample identification, traceability, records, and technical procedures all become important. Next is fifth, welding. Welding is another area where process control is critical. Organizations may need effective control over welding procedures, qualifications, consumables, equipment, parameters, personal competency, inspection, traceability, and records. Then sixth, composites and other special processes. The aerospace sector also relies extensively on composite materials and numerous other specialized manufacturing processes. The organization must understand the specific accreditation scope applicable to its activities and establish controls accordingly. The key principle remains the same: define the process, control the process, demonstrate the process, and retain objective evidence. Now section 5, understanding NADCAP audit expectations. NADCAP assessments are evidence driven. It is not enough to tell an assessor that a process is controlled. The organization must be able to demonstrate it. This means procedures should be available, personnel should be trained and qualified, equipment should be suitable and maintained, calibration should be current, process parameters should be controlled, records should be complete, traceability should be maintained, non-conformities should be addressed, and corrective actions should be effective. One of the most important principles is consistency. The organization's documented procedures should match actual shop floor practice. The operator's activities should match the approved process. The inspection records should demonstrate that the required controls were performed, and the objective evidence should be traceable. This is why preparation before the assessment is extremely important. A last-minute documentation exercise is generally not enough. NADCAP readiness needs to be built into the organization's daily operations. Now section 6, common NADCAP compliance challenges. What are some common challenges organizations face while preparing for NADCAP? Let us discuss several challenges. Challenge 1, incomplete gap assessment. Some organizations start preparing documents without first understanding the complete requirements. A detailed gap assessment should come first. Then challenge 2, procedure and practice mismatch. A procedure may say one thing while employees perform another. So this creates a serious compliance weakness. Now challenge 3, inadequate objective evidence. A process may actually be performed correctly, but if records are incomplete, the organization may struggle to demonstrate compliance. So objective evidence is must, means proper documentation is mandatory. Now challenge 4, personal competency. Training alone does not always demonstrate competency. Organizations need appropriate qualification, experience, evaluation, and records. Now challenge 5, equipment and calibration control. Critical equipment must be properly identified, maintained, calibrated, and controlled. Challenge 6, corrective action. Finding a problem is only the beginning. The organization must identify root cause, implement corrective action, verify effectiveness, and prevent recurrence. Now challenge 7. Supplier and subcontractor control. Where processes are outsourced, the organization must maintain appropriate control over external providers. These challenges demonstrate why experience preparation can significantly improve NADCAP readiness. Now section 7. How URGS can support NADCAP compliance. This brings us to an important question. How can URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited support organizations worldwide preparing for NADCAP? URGS can provide structured consulting, inspection, training, auditing, and technical support for organizations worldwide. Our approach can be customized according to the organization's NADCAP scope, current maturity, processes, customer requirements, and assessment objectives. Now step 1. Initial consultation. What we do here? We begin by understanding the organization, what aerospace processes are being performed, what is the intended NADCAP scope, which customers are being served, which aerospace standards and specifications apply, what procedures already exist, what technical resources are available, what is the organization's target assessment timeline. This initial understanding helps establish a practical implementation roadmap. Now step 2. NADCAP gap assessment. URGS can conduct a structured gap assessment against applicable NADCAP requirements and process specific criteria. The assessment can examine documentation, procedures, personal competency, equipment, calibration, process controls, inspection and testing, traceability, records, internal audits, non-conformance management, corrective action, supplier control, and operational implementation. The objective is to identify gaps before the formal assessment. Now step 3. Documentation development and review. URGS can support organizations with development, review, and improvement of relevant documentation. This may include quality procedures, process procedures, work instructions, inspection procedures, NDT procedures, heat treatment documentation, chemical processing controls, equipment control procedures, calibration procedures, training and competency records, traceability formats, inspection records, internal audit checklists, non-conformance procedures, corrective action systems, and process-specific documentation. Documentation should always be aligned with the organization's actual activities and applicable requirements. Now step 4. Personal training. People are at the center of process compliance. URGS can provide professional training and awareness programs covering relevant aerospace quality and special process requirements. Training may include NADCAP awareness, aerospace quality requirements, internal auditing, root cause analysis, corrective action, NDT, metallurgy, heat treatment, metallography, inspection techniques, process control, quality documentation, and other technical subjects relevant to the organization's scope. Now step 5. Internal audit and mock assessment. One of the most valuable services URGS can provide is an independent pre-assessment. A mock NADCAP assessment can simulate the type of evidence and questioning that an organization may encounter during an actual assessment. URGS auditors can review process implementation, records, personal qualification, equipment, calibration, technical procedures, software practices, traceability, objective evidence, and corrective action effectiveness. The purpose is not simply to identify problems, it is give the organization an opportunity to correct them before the formal assessment. Now step 6. Corrective action support. If gaps or non-conformities are identified, URGS can support organizations in analyzing the root causes. Corrective action should address the actual cause rather than simply correcting the immediate symptom. URGS can support root cause analysis, correction, corrective action planning, implementation, evidence preparation, effectiveness verification, and control improvement. Now section 8, aerospace NDT and technical inspection support. Because NDT and technical inspection are critical components of the aerospace supply chain. URGS also offers specialized technical support. Our expertise can include conventional and advanced NDT areas such as ultrasonic testing, phased array ultrasonic testing, TOFT, radiographic testing, magnetic particle testing, liquid penetrant testing, visual testing, eddy current testing, magnetic flux leakage, acoustic emission testing, and other advanced inspection technologies. URGS can support organizations with technical training, procedure review, inspection system evaluation, internal audits, competency development, and level 3 related technical support where applicable. For aerospace organizations, the objective is always to combine technical competence with disciplined process control. Now section 9, building a NADCAP ready organization. NADCAP readiness should not be treated as a one-time project. The strongest organizations build compliance into their everyday operations. That means employees understand requirements, procedures are practical, equipment is controlled, records are reliable, processes are monitored, internal audits are effective, non-conformities are analyzed, corrective actions are verified, and management continually evaluates performance. The ultimate goal is to create a culture where quality and technical compliance are part of the manufacturing process itself. This approach can provide benefits not only for NADCAP but also for customer audits, aerospace quality requirements, supplier evaluations, and overall operational performance. Now section 10, why choose URGS? Why work with URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited? Because aerospace compliance requires more than paperwork. It requires understanding of processes, inspection, quality systems, technical requirements, personal competency, and objective evidence. URGS International brings together consulting, certification support, inspection, auditing, technical training, and engineering expertise. Our services can be structured according to your organization's requirements. Whether you are preparing for your first NADCAP accreditation, expanding your existing scope, strengthening your internal systems, preparing for an upcoming assessment, or improving your aerospace supplier performance, URGS can provide practical support. Our objective is to help organizations move from compliance preparation to sustainable process excellence. Now closing. NADCAP represents a significant benchmark for aerospace special process capability. For organizations looking to enter or expand within the global aerospace supply chain, preparation is critical. The right approach begins with understanding the applicable requirements, conducting a detailed gap assessment, strengthening technical processes, developing competent personnel, implementing effective documentation, conducting internal audits, and ensuring that objective evidence is consistently available. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is ready to support aerospace organizations worldwide with NADCAP compliance consulting, gap assessment, technical inspection, internal auditing, training, documentation support, corrective action assistance, and aerospace quality solutions. If your organization is planning NADCAP accreditation or wants to evaluate its current readiness, contact us today. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 73 59 45 8455. This is our WhatsApp number also. We are 24/7 available on WhatsApp. Please first contact us through WhatsApp for any query. Partner with URGS for professional aerospace quality, inspection, certification, training, and compliance support. URGS supporting organizations toward global quality and technical excellence. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, share this video, and contact URGS for your NADCAP and aerospace compliance requirements worldwide. Thank you.